So you got your sign in information. The next thing you should do is click on your candidate site, this URL here. Click on it. Then log in with the data details you are given. This is your dashboard here. You can watch this demo again. Okay, this is where you get the link from. You come to upcoming exams, check your exam, then just take the exam. You read the information carefully, then click on I have read. Make sure you've read them, and click on start exam. These are the exams you have. Say we choose these for instance. So for our next question, terrestrial animal, blah blah blah. I choose dolphin, then click on finish. You have to clear. You're not allowed to go. Try get some don't worry. You can go back in so many. I assume you cannot go back. So calculator too. Okay, give your answer back, then finish. You can also cancel and finish and click on finish. So this is just there. Then I go to your dashboard or go to your exam history and rate the exam too and drop feedback in case if there's anything wrong with the question. So then you can also just can also go back to your dashboard so you can see upcoming exam. There's no upcoming exam again because we've done the exam that was done already. And come to exam history and review it. Got because you got one out of two questions, got one and failed one. Notifications, and that's all. This is your account. You can change. You can also add your picture if you want to add it. So get your first. So I've added my picture. You can change other things which you want to change. Then click on update. Your logo is now there already. So that's all. Thank you.